Good afternoon, Internet family. This is Steve, the problem solver, and I am looking for people who want telephone work-from-home jobs in your home state. I'm looking for customer service people, telemarketers, phone sales people, managers, door-to-door people, real estate executives. You know, at first I was going to do a presentation, ladies and gentlemen, but I think really what I want to do right now is just have a conversation. You know, I can think back on when I started my career in telemarketing about 15 years ago, and I know exactly where you are right now. I have that mental list of absolutely everything that I hated about that job. I hated tick sheets, having to clock in, having to clock out every time I got up from my station, evaluations from 7 different managers who hadn't been on a phone in years, script changes, script updates, rude customers, pay changes, bonuses that they changed every time that you turn around. And I got fed up with it 15 years ago and had an awesome mentor who pulled me to the side, who actually showed me what I'm worth, showed me how to use this voice to make the money that I wanted to make. You know, the main thing that he taught me was to have the mentality that I want you to have, which is you need to learn how to fire your boss. I want to be the person to show you how to do that. Let's use the talents that we have, our voices, to live the lifestyle that we want to lead this year. Let me ask you 3 questions, and I hope you answer yes to all 3. Do you want to make more money this year than you made last year? Do you want to have more time for your family and yourself? Do you want to finally be paid what you're worth? I want you to do me a favor. In the description below, there's a link I want you to click on. It's going to introduce you to a few friends of mine. These are awesome guys who all started where you are right now, where I started 15 years ago. Make sure you put your proper information in. After you put your proper information in, you're actually going to get my personal telephone number. I want you to call me. Do me a favor. Let's get started. Let's get a new life together. This is Steve, the problem solver. Welcome to the family.